In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build beautiful slide decks 10x faster with Bolt.new. Here's the simple workflow we'll use. First, we'll generate high-quality slide content with Google Gemini. Then we'll feed that content into Bolt.new to instantly build a clean professional deck. By the end, you'll have a repeatable process you can use for any topic. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Gemini. Once you're there, create a clear prompt that tells Gemini exactly what you want in your slides. Be specific about the topic, the audience, the number of slides, the structure, the tone, and any style direction. For example, you might say you want an executive-friendly 10-slide deck with a title, agenda, key points, supporting data, a summary, and a call to action, written in concise bullet sentences. The more context you give here, the better your slides will be later. When your prompt is ready, click the airplane icon to submit it. Gemini will generate a response with organized content. Click the prompt result to open the full output so you can quickly scan for clarity, flow, and accuracy. If something looks off, you can refine your original prompt and resend. When you're happy with the structure and wording, copy the entire result. This will become the source material for your deck, so make sure you grab everything you need. Titles, section headers, and slide ready points. Next, open a new tab and go to Bolt.new. This tool turns well-structured text into beautiful slides in seconds. Click the prompt bar to focus the input field, then paste the content you just copied from Gemini. A quick tip: keep headings on their own lines and use short, punchy sentences for body content. That makes it easier for Bolt.new to translate your text into visually clean slides. With your content in place, click Build Now. Bolt.new will generate the deck automatically, applying consistent layouts and spacing. In a few moments, you'll see a complete slide deck assembled from your prompt. From here, you can review the slides, skim for readability, and ensure the flow matches your intended story. If you want to adjust tone or emphasis, go back to Gemini, tweak the prompt, and repeat this copy-paste workflow for rapid iterations. And that's it. Draft with Gemini, build with Bolt.new, and you've got a polished deck in a fraction of the time. Try this on your next presentation and watch how quickly you move from idea to finished slides.